folks, and welcome to our channel, the Kamahig Vlogs. Today, I am going to unbox my personal, supposedly Christmas present. Actually, over Christmas, I got the boys Jordan 1 shoes for their Christmas present. And mine came a little bit late. I actually purchased this from the Nike app, so I don't think it is actually it's within Australia, so I think it's overseas. Not sure exactly where, but pretty much took nearly I think 3 weeks for it to arrive. So it has been here for I think nearly a week now, but I just had not time to unbox it because I've been really busy at work. So here we go, let's have a look. So it is from, so I purchased it online from the Nike app, and I actually initially wanted to buy this from End Clothing, where I also purchased some shoes, and End Clothing is based from UK, but their shipping fee is a little bit expensive. But Nike app is, I think I can't remember whether it was a free shipping or only a $10 shipping, compared to End Clothing. If they are not having a special for their shipping, it's $25 flat, but you get free shipping if you order over $300. So I'm kind of contemplating of buying these shoes, but I don't have this kind of color yet. And so when I grabbed the boys shoes, I thought, oh, this one should be okay for my collection because pretty much different color. So here we go. So again, in women's size, so I am USA size 7 in women's, and UK is 4.5. As you can see from there. So let's have a look, and here we go. Ta-da-da! There we go. So it is brown basil slash oatmeal. So that is the color of it. So that's Jordan 1, and it is, oh, it's pretty cool. Look, this actually is, it's got like a brown there, and another white in the top. So it's like two, brown and white. So there you go, folks. And it's got it's suede. This side here is suede, and you got your brown chocolate color there. You get this fur. So I think this is good for winter. Be warm for your for my feet for winter time. So that's it for today, folks. I'm just unboxing my new collection, new Jordan 1 shoes to add into my collection. So there you go. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the all bell notifications, so every time I pop something in YouTube, you'll get notified. So have a good day, everyone, and most especially have a safe day. See you in our next vlogs.